All right, this is going to be this is before my third session. So before I actually show you the results, I want to show you what it looks like before when it's almost fully healed. Look at the back. You can see how it's gotten a lot lighter. It looks almost green. And look at it compared to the one part I left alone. See the contrast between that and this? So it's definitely working. And right now I'm going to show you some pictures from the first, second, and third week. That's it. This is 2 weeks after I did my third session. As you can see, it's well, I don't know if you I didn't post, I don't think 2 weeks after, but I'm healing a lot faster the third time around. Let me just give you a close look at this. So initially this was dark red and I thought it was going to scar. See, there's a few areas here, and down here, but it looks like it's totally healing. The skin is not raised, so it's not scarring. I'm confident that eventually it will eventually heal and be the same color as the rest of my skin, so I don't think there's going to be any damage to my pigmentation or to my pigment. And let me see, and then here's another thing. Look at how much lighter this is compared to the part that I left untouched. This is dark, and look at this, is like a few shades lighter. And I don't know if you're I'll show pictures in a second, but this was totally black, and I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. And like I said, little scabs, but it's been less than 2 weeks and they're totally healing. And that's about it. I'm just going to show some pictures of before and after, and then I'll give you another update in 5 to 6 weeks. I'm thinking 5. I might go a little faster this time because I'm healing faster. This time I waited 6 weeks, and I think maybe next 4 to 5. We'll see. Anyways, thanks. Oh, if you like this video, please subscribe. And until then, talk to you later.